students. Today we are going to discuss the chapter The Best Christmas Present in the World from your book. It's the first chapter of your book. This lesson is about a story in between the war. It reflects upon the longing of the soldiers to reunite with their families. कितना और कितनी मुश्किल से और कितने लंबे वक्त के बाद सोल्जर्स जो हैं, जो वॉर में बिज़ी रहते हैं, वो अपनी फैमिली से मिल पाते हैं. दिस स्टोरी इज़ ऑल अबाउट दिस. ऑन द अदर हैंड, इट ऑल्सो थ्रोज लाइट अपॉन द longing of the families of these soldiers. One such wife, whose name was Connie, a 101 years old lady whose husband was soldier in the British Army, misunderstood her visitor to be her husband and called the so-called reunion and considered it the best Christmas present of the world. This is all about the story. And now the narrator is the story opens with the narrator present in a second-hand goods shop, who is known as a junk shop. He had been longing for a roll-top desk since a while, but could not get his hands on one because they were too expensive. उसको रोल टॉप डेस्क चाहिए था जो वो ढूंढ रहा था, लेकिन वो ख़रीद नहीं पा रहा था क्योंकि वो बहुत महंगा था. Finally, he saw one at the junk shop in the Bridport. The seller told him that it belonged to the days of the early 19th century and was made of the oak. Old as it was in a poor shape. The roll top was not in a single piece. One of its legs was broken but repaired, and it's looked like as it burnt down any time because of it being old and the condition in which it was. It was available for a very cheap price. Because of its bad condition, it is available in cheap price. The narrator wanted to get it so badly that he believed he could restore it, and even though it was less likely कि वो जैसा है वैसा नहीं रहेगा, मैं उसको रिपेयर करके ठीक कर लूँगा. So thus he bought it by paying the man in the shop and took it at home. He took it to his workroom, which was at the back of his garage, and began working on it on the eve of the Christmas. And when he was working over it, as I told you that it was in very bad condition, and it appeared to him that water and fire had clearly done that damage with it. The fact that all the decorative wood was coming out made it more likely that it could be water damage. He removed the roll top entirely and started taking out the drawers. While the drawers came out, the last one was stuck. He tried pulling it gently, but when it didn't work, he had to use extreme force to take it out. लास्ट ड्रॉर नहीं खुल रहा था. उसको खींचने के लिए उसने बहुत ज़ोर लगा के उस ड्रॉर को बाहर की तरफ खींचा. He tried pulling it hard. So he punched the drawer with the side of his fist only to find a space. It was when it opened it, then with this punch the drawer had opened, and when it opened, it was a secret drawer. It was a secret drawer with a black tin like box inside it. Okay, fix this. Then he fixed it there was a letter on which it was written Jim's last letter, which was received January 25, 1915. Here I want to tell you students, 1915 was the time when the First World War was going on. And it is to be buried with me when the time comes. What is written over it? I am repeating it again. Jim's last letter, received January 25, 1915. To be buried with me when the time comes. In a shaky handwriting. He knew in his heart that it was wrong for him to open the box, but curiously, somehow got the better of him, the way it generally does, and he opened it. So that's it for today. I'll continue my explanation in my next class.